Exporting stock using RetailManager Multistore Explorer. RetailManager Multistore is designed to help you export and analyze key business data, such as inventory information, from one or multiple stores. You can export reports either store by store or as a consolidated view, all stores combined, ready for filtering and analysis in Excel. AAAPOS continues to enhance RetailManager Multistore with new features. If you have suggestions or feature requests, we'd love to hear from you. Accessing Multistore Explorer. Log into the AAAPOS Web Store Manager. Navigate to Manage, Explorer, Multistore. You will see three main categories: Customers, Inventory, and Sales Summary. Exporting inventory data. Step-by-step instructions. Select Inventory from the menu, then click Refresh to load the latest customer data across all stores. A list of your stores will appear on screen. You can now drag and sort fields, for example, sort by store name, date, etc., and rearrange columns to suit your preferred layout. To download inventory data, you have two options. Single store export. Highlight the store, then click Download. Consolidated export, all stores. Click Download Consolidate, then choose either Download Selected, Download All. A download will begin, and a pop-up box will ask you to choose a save location. Select your desired folder and click OK. Once the download completes, the folder will automatically open so you can access your file. Understanding the exported report. When you open the Excel file, you'll see store name, store captured date, stock ID, barcode, description, custom fields, departments and categories, quantity on hand, sales order and lay-by quantities, cost and sell prices, and date created and modified. Tips and recommendations. Use Excel filters to sort and analyze your inventory data easily, for example, filter by store, available quantity, or creation date. Make regular exports to keep your inventory list up to date for marketing and data quality purposes.